Welcome to Yarn Again. This week I'm sharing the Coco Crochets Calendar Challenge 2023. This challenge, every 2 weeks, Coco picks the 4 colors out of the many colors she sees in the calendar, puts them all in a hat, and then picks out 3 colors and a wild. And these are just some of the colors I'm using in mine. And the first month we had January, of course, and the stitch was a single crochet just to get us started off easily. You could do that throughout your blanket, or you can, sorry, that's the dog decided to play, or you can change the stitches. Coco's changing the stitches every 2 weeks when she pulls out the next month. I'm not doing that. I'm just doing the single crochet all the way through. This is February's colors that I chose. This is a green. That's a blue, looking like a blue in the picture. Yay. The yellow and the purple was the wild color. This week we had the blue, or the green. The orange was the wild color, and that's a brown with my gray. And that's my Coco Crochet 2023 crochet along blanket, calendar blanket. Thank you for stopping by, and I can't wait for the next colors to be pulled. You have to do 8 rows of your 4 colors, or you could do just the 3. The wild color this week was the orange. I'm choosing to do all 4 colors that are chosen and trying to make it look cohesive. I look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye.